In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email routing with Cloudflare, an incredibly handy tool to manage your email flow effortlessly. We'll break down each step so that by the end of this video, you'll be set up and ready to streamline your communications with ease. Let's begin by navigating over to Cloudflare. If you're not familiar with Cloudflare, it's a fantastic platform known for its security and performance boost for websites. You'll want to log into your account to start the process. If you don't have an account just yet, it's quick and easy to create one. Once you're logged in, you should see an overview of your domains. If you've set up several domains with Cloudflare, make sure to select the right domain that you intend to configure the email routing for. This is crucial because email routing settings are specific to each domain. Once you've selected the appropriate domain, look for the email section in your dashboard. Click on it and you will see an option called Email Routing. Click on Email Routing and then hit Get Started. This marks the beginning of your configuration setup. Here's where you'll specify the email addresses you want to use. Now think about which custom email addresses you want to use. This might be something like info@yourdomain.com or support@yourdomain.com, depending on your needs. Type in the custom address in the provided field. This address will essentially be the front-facing address that your emails will appear to come from. Next, you'll need to direct this address to an existing email account where you'd like to receive your emails. This could be your personal email account or a business one. Just make sure it's somewhere you check regularly. Type in the destination email where you want your messages to be forwarded. After entering your custom address and the destination address, click on Create and Continue. What's important to note here is that Cloudflare handles the routing securely and efficiently, ensuring that your emails arrive promptly at the designated destination. Once you've done this, a confirmation message should pop up, indicating that your email routing setup is now complete. You now have a basic understanding of how to set up email routing using Cloudflare. This can be particularly useful in instances where you want to offer a professional email interface to clients or customers without needing to manage separate inboxes. And that's pretty much it. With these simple steps, your email routing is set up, and you can now enjoy managed email forwarding with ease and confidence. Cloudflare's email routing service gives you the flexibility and control needed to manage multiple email addresses seamlessly, ideal for a smooth and efficient communication experience. Don't forget to keep an eye on your inbox to ensure that everything is functioning as it should. Happy emailing, and thanks for joining me in today's guide.